would like to tell you what it's like to have my mom be the state president of the Nebraska JCs. Apparently, one sibling isn't enough. It seems like I have 501 siblings. That's you, Nebraska JCs. Since she had to take care of all of my new brothers and sisters, my mom was gone all the time. And I missed her a lot, a lot, a lot. I think my mom has been an awesome president to all of her children. My mom is very sparkly and she has left a trail of glitter all over Nebraska and a few other states too. When she gets excited about something, I think she gets an extra sparkle in her voice that lets me know she is being a good leader because people around her get that sparkle too. She is learning all the time and she is always helping the community. Yes, I had to share her with all of you, but I know that it was important for her to be away from home, teaching, inspiring, and bringing that sparkle to you. It made me sad when she was gone and when she couldn't tug me and Neva in, but she made up for it when she came home with all of her snuggles and sometimes presents. When my mom was away, she always brought back stories to share. Some stories were for me and Neva. Some stories were for you so that you could be better JCs. Having my mom be the president has made me feel good that she gets to spend time with other people, sad because she's not with me all the time, but most important, proud because I think she's a rock star in whatever she does. Thank you for giving her back to me and Neva. And Daddy, too. We sure are glad she's done. I'd like to share with you some pictures of the activities and events that Mom has done all year. It was especially hard when my Nan was sick and in the hospital in Denver, and when my Mima went to heaven. But we made it through, because we are family, all of us. Maybe someday I will become